Hello everyone, welcome to MZ Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to make your responsive website using HTML and CSS, a website like this one here. So let's start. Okay, we have our folder, we have two files, HTML file, CSS file, also we have one picture. So let's go to our text editor. We have basic template here for HTML, except this is a link for Font Awesome. Okay, let's start. We need one div element with class menu. Okay, a with active class, home, a again. Now I'll copy this a element few times and paste it. Okay, I will say plan, payment, blog, I will say our work, about, and contact. Okay, now we need one more div element with class. I will say search field and form action page.php. We need input field, type text, name I will say search, and we need placeholder, also search. Okay, now we need one button with type I will say submit, and let's go to Font Awesome to find icon for this button. Okay, Font Awesome, type search. Okay, this is our icon. Click. Sorry. Okay, scroll down, start using this icon, copy this and paste it here and delete this S. Let's save and let's go to our page to see our website. Okay, this is our page. You see our menu, we have our field, our button. So let's style this page. Let's go to style, body, margin 0, background image, picture.jpg, background repeat, no repeat, background size cover. Okay, let's save. Let's go to our page to see changes. Okay, you see we have background now. Okay, let's go to style our menu, please. Dot menu, overflow hiding, dot menu a, padding 14 pixel, 16 pixel, floats to the left, please. Sorry. Then display block. Okay, font size 17 pixel, text align center, text decoration none, and I will say color black. Okay, let's save and let's go to see changes. Okay, this is our menu now. Let's go to type the hover effect, dot menu a hover background color Okay, this is my color black. Oh, sorry. Dot menu a dot active dot sorry, background color, I will say 465081. Color, I will say white. Okay, so let's go to see our hover effect. Refresh. So you see we have hover effect. Okay, let's move this search field to the right. Dot menu dot search field float to the right place. Okay, dot menu input type is equal to the text, padding 6 pixel, margin from the top I will say 8 pixel, border none, and we need font size 17 pixel. Okay, let me close this. Okay, dot menu dot search field button. Okay, just okay, padding I will say 6 pixel, 10 pixel, please float to the right, margin from the top 8 pixel, margin from the right I will say 16 pixel, border none, pointer I will say pointer cursor, sorry, cursor pointer, then font size 17 pixel, border none. I think that's all. Let's do hover effect for this button. Sorry, I need background here. Okay, background I will say DDD, and now in hover effect I will say background C. Okay, let's save. Let's go to our page to see the changes. Okay, this is our input field, this is our button, you see hover effect. Okay, let's type some text here, please. Okay, let's go to index, div element with class text, h1, first website, p. Okay, let's go to Google to find lorem ipsum or lorem ipsum, I don't know. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's paste. Okay, let's go to style this text. Dot text, padding from the left I will say 400 pixel, padding from the top I will say 120 pixel, text align to center please, dot text h1 I will say font size 55 pixel, and dot text p, I don't know, font family, maybe font family this one, and maybe color to change to, I don't know, dark blue. Let's save and let's go to our site. Okay, you see, this is our website. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. If you like, please subscribe, share and like. See you soon. Bye bye.